If I can be honest with you, the popularity of this car, well, it makes it a little bit annoying. And that's true, because this is one of the best-selling Alfas of all time. There are regions in Italy that every second car is Alfa Romeo 156. But why? Obviously it's the price, but that's not all. Because for this price tag, you can have a leather seats, incredible sound system, unbelievably smooth driving experience. And if you choose the 2.4-liter diesel engine like this one today, you're gonna have a 210 horsepower and more than 400 Newton meters of torque. The acceleration from 0 to 60 is just under 8.5 seconds, and the fuel consumption is 8 liters per 100 kilometers. All of that and this incredible 20 years old design, well, it makes it pretty good choice, isn't it?
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.